In today's video, we're going to make our own shower oil and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. I really don't like putting cream on when I get out of the shower, so I discovered shower oils. But I wanted a simple and natural product. The trouble is, pure oil takes too long to absorb if I shower in the morning and I have to run to work. That's why I love this recipe. I get the benefits of oil, but with ultra-fast absorption. Alright, let's get to it. We need 1 8-ounce amber plastic PET bottle, 6 ounces of water, 2 ounces of fractionated coconut oil. Coconut oil is a deep moisturizer and absorbs quickly. It's an antioxidant, antifungal, and can soothe skin irritation such as eczema and psoriasis. Essential oils I like to use is lemongrass, wild orange, and tea tree. Lemongrass is a natural cleanser and deodorizer. It has antiseptic and antioxidant properties. It can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve blood circulation, and reduce inflammation. Wild orange is antibacterial, an antioxidant, and can improve blood circulation. It can also increase energy and focus. Tea tree is antibacterial, antifungal, and a natural lice repellent. Add 6 ounces of water and 2 ounces of fractionated coconut oil to a bowl. Next, add 4 drops of lemongrass, 6 drops of wild orange, and 2 drops of tea tree essential oils and stir. Then add mixture to 8-ounce amber plastic PET bottle. Shake well and apply to skin. When your shower is done, turn off the water. Then place a quarter-sized amount into the palm of your hand. Be careful not to spill any into your bathtub or shower. Continue to rub all over your body. Use more as needed. Make sure when you dry off, you only pat your skin dry. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Store in a cool and dry space. Use within 1 month. Thanks for watching, and remember, like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.